Hi everyone, this is Zara from Zarabakes. Today is Mother's Day. I'll be making an easy, delicious cake with a secret ingredient. You won't believe what it is. It's spinach. Let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients are 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a cup of milk, 3 eggs, vanilla powder, and 100 grams of spinach. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Pour hot water over the spinach and cover the top for a few minutes until it becomes soft. Using a hand blender, blend the spinach leaves until it looks like a paste. Crack the eggs open and beat them with sugar in a mixer bowl until well blended. Add your oil, milk, baking powder, and vanilla. Stop the mixer and add your flour to the egg mixture and continue mixing it until the mixture turns creamy in color. Add your spinach paste and continue beating for another 2 minutes. Move the cake batter into a 10-inch cake pan lined with a parchment paper. And bake in the oven for 1 hour. Now let's make the frosting. You will need 2 sticks of room temperature butter and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Beat the butter for a few minutes until it turns creamy white in color. Gradually pour the condensed milk over butter. Don't go too fast to avoid making your frosting too loose. Once finished, remove the bowl from the mixer stand and transfer the frosting into another container. You should have a pretty stiff consistency of frosting at this point. Now let's make our raspberry filling. 1 cup of frozen raspberries, and about 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix them well and leave it on the side for now. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool completely. If it came out with a dome on top, then use a sharp serrated knife to cut the top flat. Look at that vibrant green color. Yum! Now you're ready to assemble the cake. I made another cake circle earlier today, so if you wish to have like I do, then you will need to repeat the recipe again to have 2 cake circles. Place 1 cake circle on a nice cake stand and put the raspberry filling on it, poking small holes so the liquid will drain into the cake and keep it moist. Put some frosting on top of berries and mix it with the berries. Try not to overfill it. Put the second cake circle on top and frost your cake to your desired design. Decorate with fresh raspberries. I also added green pistachio powder as a contrast color. You can skip this if concerned with nut allergies. Add some fresh mint leaves on the sides. I hope you like my recipe. Happy Mother's Day to every mother out there. Cheers!
Cheers!
Yum! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.